What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can change your Binance password. Now for those people who do not know what happens when you change your password in Binance, just a reminder that once you change your password in Binance, when you try to log in into your Binance account, you need to enter the new password which you changed into when you're logging into your Binance account because your older password will be removed, alright? And if you change your password in Binance, your P2P trading and anything related with money will be disabled in your Binance for 24 hours. Alright. And for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the world's top cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. Alright. And if you also want to sign up into it, I will leave a referral link in the description, which you guys can use to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into it. And with that said, let's jump into the video now, shall we? And if you guys are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel app tutorial as well for future videos just like this. And let's get into the video. So this is for Binance Mobile. If you want a video for the desktop version of Binance, then turn on the notification and comment down below. I will make a video on that as well. Just click on this little profile picture looking icon over here. On my screen, it's showing me a Christmas looking icon because it's Christmas, but after it's over, it's gonna show you an avatar looking icon. So just click on it, and once you click on it, go on versus security. And on security, you wanna go on versus passport over here. You can see the change, click on it and click on continue. And over here, enter your older passport first. And after you enter your older passport, you want to enter your new passport over here. And after entering your new passport, enter it again to confirm it. And then just click on submit. And once you do that, your password will be changed. So that's how you guys can change your password in Binance. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.